Ongondo Boyd Were 16,000. 16,819. The MP-elect is Honorable
Okay, so for starters, I want to thank the people of Kasipul for believing in me and entrusting me with the responsibility to lead them. I also want to thank our party, our great party, ODM party. I want to thank our leaders led by our Member of Parliament, MCAs, our party chair, Her Excellency Governor Gladys Wanga, for believing in youth leadership. Today, the IBC conducted a free, fair and transparent election. We never witnessed any malpractices, so I want to ongera the IBC people for conducting a free, fair and transparent election. You know, the people of Kasipul have done their responsibility of electing a good leader, so it's for me now to work for them diligently. I also want to thank my competitors. We had 5 of them here who conceded defeat and agreed to support so that at least we can move forward as a people. And I want to urge everyone in Kasipul, let's embrace each other and let's maintain peace so that we can bring development to the people of Kasipul.
I'm very, very grateful to the ODM party, the party machinery, our leaders, some of whom are here, Honorable Dr. Gogo, Honorable Kaluma, many who are not here, our grassroots ODM leadership in Kasipul from all the polling centers who spent many sleepless nights to ensure that we turned around a very, very strong and landslide victory here in Kasipul. It shows that the ODM party remains strong, remains resilient, remains ready. And for those who wrote off ODM because of the passing of Baba, I think they have now seen for themselves that ODM is the largest party south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo, and you know, in touch with its masses. This is also a very big honor to our departed party leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. The people of Kasipul have come back to say thank you to Baba for and honor him even in his absence, and for that we remain very grateful. And to the people of Kasipul, you were taken through a lot during this period.
We have shared our views as observers. We can say that this election has been fair and accountable within this constituency. However, we saw a lot of challenges in terms of some people who tried to distract the elections, but the swift actions by the security apparatus made the operation smooth. We observers, we went out, but in the field, we made those obstacles because we are obstructed by some of the criminals who the police managed to arrest and even recovered the firearm and abandoned some vehicles. We want to say this to Kasipul people. They have done a good thing to elect the leader that they want, because we have been observing the election from the field and also in the tallying center. We have been here all the time. We have shared our views. We saw that it was transparent. The elected leader, we say that call for unity with all others that have been with you as candidates. You have won, but we need more unity within the Kasipul constituency, because what we saw, this division of some people bringing diversity in the local community.